Spin that boy. Come on, come on. Faster, 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 faster.
Truth, dare. It ain't time.
Hello.
To go next. It's no time.
I want that tip. I want that tip.
No lies. Tell the truth.
Oh dear. Show us with sound what your orgasm sounds.
Oh my god.
You're close, baby. How many times a day do you think about sex?
A day?
Or an hour.
Demonstrate how to put on a condom using a banana.
We take the condom.
Ooh.
Wow.
You're a natural.
Sexy as fuck.
Oh yes.
So sexy.
Many sexually transmitted diseases do not have visible signs.
How can you tell that your partner doesn't have sexually transmitted disease?
Like chlamydia, gonorrhea, and syphilis.
Unless he tells you, you don't know.
It's like quite a huge problem. At least like I'm at university and I know loads of people have them there. Like the clinic is full all the time.
Then use protection if I really want to have sex with this person so badly.
So switch a piece of clothing with someone of the opposite gender.
Sexy. Wow.
Search for a condom in the pocket of someone
From the opposite sex. Don't stop until you find one.
Oh,
What's in there?
oh my god.
Thank you.
Whose job do you think it is to like get the condom? Is it like, okay, you're the guy, you need to get the condom?
Yeah, no, it's both of them.
I think it's very important for girls to have a condom.
I always wear condoms by myself. I mean, I always buy them. If I've got a condom, I don't depend on anyone.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
She's conscious enough to offer me a condom and she still wants to fuck me. Daddy, awesome!
I don't know, it's a message, a really clear message. So, yeah, it turns me on.